Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Every 4 years here in the UK, they hold a general election to choose the next government. In between general elections, if a Member of Parliament, an MP, dies or decides to stand down for some reason, they hold a by-election, a local election for one particular area. There was a particularly important one last week where a Labour candidate, Andy Burnham, who's widely tipped to become the next Prime Minister, and at the moment is one of the most popular politicians in the country, was up against Reform, a far right-wing anti-immigration party. It was predicted to be a very close-run thing, and lots of people weren't sure that Burnham would win. However, in the end, he won by a landslide. If a person or a political party wins an election by a landslide, they win by a big majority. So he got something like 55% of the votes, and the next nearest candidate only got 33% of the votes. You can also talk about a landslide victory. So you might hear mention of Labour's landslide victory a couple of years ago, or the landslide victory of 1997. And sometimes you just talk about a landslide. So the American midterm elections are coming up later this year, and all of the polls are predicting a landslide for the Democrats. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use win by a landslide or a landslide victory. One final thing I should just add is we only use this when talking about elections. If you're talking about sports matches, football or whatever, I'm afraid it doesn't work.